of other issues um, in terms of zoning, which is quite a complex issue, especially in the West. And Bashir John is correct. Part of our education as architects, when we graduate, we take oath to serve the public and be very careful about or actually responsible for the public safety, security, and health. Those three issues are embedded in graduation as an architect. But the other thing that I would like to stress, and even though my John explained and Bashir John also explained in terms of the fire and all that, which is true, especially in a very congested environment like the big cities of Chicago or Boston or New York. Um, the issue here is the reason they want to hire architects not only to deal with these zoning issues and building codes and fire codes and plumbing codes and so on and so forth, which is quite complex for one architect. But you're going to be working with a whole group of people who are experts in the field. But your responsibility does not end, because what you have to do, you have to say, okay, I have all these challenges now. Would these challenges become opportunity for design quality? There are some really amazing architectural products generated by like the Japanese, because if you go to Japan, they have very restriction. Their lots are so small, and also because they have the electricity power above ground in the cities like in Tokyo and Kyoto. Um, Unlike America, in most big cities, the electrical cables are underground, which they don't have that much of a problem. But in a place like Tokyo, the architects have to deal with the distance from these overhead cables. And some of the solutions they come up with, which is really amazing, is design solutions. So don't think of this, it's a scary thought. I mean, it's not. It's a challenge. It's again goes back to the issue of safety, but Shajan was talking about saving lives and the property and the livestocks. But at the same time, it gives you an opportunity to design some amazing, amazing buildings because of these restrictions. Those are my thoughts.
I completely agree with Mehdi John و امرای استاد کاظمی واقعا این چیزا بسیار مهم است که آدم زونینگ اینا رو بفهمه و یک کسی که بسیار زیاد پرکتس نکرده یا چی نمیکنه این چیزا رو بسیار آسان نیست فهمیدنش. You have to learn it on the job. در مکتب این چیزا رو آدم یاد نمیگیره. این رو متوجه باشن. So it very informative برای همه شما که ببینن که قانونایی است که آدم باید مد نظر بگیره. نه تنها قانونای چیز که دولتی است، که قانونای طبیعی as well. So you have to be mindful. But exactly like Mehdi John said, don't look at this as restrictions or جایی که در پیش رایتان استادتان کنه. Think of it as opportunities. How to design to solve these issues. That's it. Very nice. Thank you.